very, very special guest for the interview this evening. Since he migrated to Atlanta, Georgia in 2020, he has built a reputation for himself as one of the top DJs, in fact, award winning top DJs here in the ATL. He's also got some production going on as well. He is a full range entertainer, and I got to welcome him to the Island Heat Show for the first time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the man himself, Novice Bom, to the program. What's up, big bro?
Check, 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 check. You hear me?
Loud and clear.
All right. Good night, fellas. Good night, everybody. You know, one Navis Bomb checking on the show tonight, though.
Yeah. Well, welcome. So, tell me now. All right. So, St. Catherine born. Tell the people about St. Catherine. For those who don't know St. Catherine, Jamaica, right? We are taking from the beginnings, right? So, tell the people about St. Catherine and your upbringings.
Hey, you go on. I come from a place named Guys Hill in St. Catherine. You see me? Way up in the hills where cool breeze blow every day. You see me? I say, anybody know about country life, know the style is. You understand what I say? And growing up in my community, mother and father did have big business, shop, bar, the whole works. You see me? I say,
Okay.
in every community, you always have a sound system. Everybody have a little sound system in them community. But that was me growing up hearing like multiple sound system in my community. So growing up, your parents them have a little bar, them will keep them like a party now and then them like a run robin. So
Yeah.
you was a little toddler now, everybody ever come keep them little parties and stuff like that. You see me? A matter of fact, in my father bar, he did have a jukebox. Enough people don't know a jukebox still, but
Okay.
he have a little jukebox so you put in a little shell in them and shows your
And
record where you
the
want to play.
45, it was a 45 juke back then, baby,
Yeah,
with the 45 and play.
yeah,
Okay, yeah.
yeah. You see what I say? So, from them long time there, I have the joy of loving music. You see me? And my father did have a little component set where, them little components, like a turntable and thing like that, and cassette and thing. So, my father used to have that in the bar, so you could at least play music and them little thing there. You see me? So, from long time, it just me. My girl comes to my parents and my father with a lot of records and cassettes and things like that.
All
You see me?
right. So like similar to, and we're gonna talk about these artists. We're just talking about the Marleys. They grow in the family. The music is just all around them. It's just like a natural thing, right? Generation after generation. So your family, well established. Dad had his thing. The music is all around you. So it was just like a natural thing for you as
Yeah,
well.
it's just natural. I don't know where come over on it. Me just grew in it. That's why to the day, like when we play music, people like always surprised, like, oh, I know them all music yeah, because these are the music that grow me.
See.
And that's what I'm saying. Them all like me I play this thing from record days. Like
Okay.
my father used to have a whole heap of records, like a whole lot of records. I want to tell you say about in 2015. Some China did come buy out the record. I don't know if I know when the macaroni buy out the record and one thing like that.
Eh,
You see
eh,
me?
eh, eh.
But if me did ever know said this day the record them would be so important to me and my career, I wanna sell them out. I still have
Charlie.
them. I show my youth them when them grow up, you see me? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, my stash in the garage still, everything nice. Yeah. So, Novice, now, after, growing up and getting into the music, how did you first really start on the professional level of DJing and selecting it? From the love of it to now getting involved in the business side.
All right. You hear me say a while ago, my parents used to have a bar and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you this now. You reach to a point now where when I used to have this sound system in my community named Black Audio, like maybe like 5 minutes walk from my house. So every weekend I used to string up this sound and I play. So me only can deck at my house and hear the whole of the big bass and man a DJ and them thing there. And me and I eat, come on, sit and hear what one. So me used to have this problem with my parents. Them don't want me left the yard.
Yeah.
Them don't want me left the yard none at all. For go hear what one. Cause guess what now? Honestly, my mother she was a Christian type of person, you see me? And my father was a liquor rebel. So my mother never wanted me leave the yard for go around the smoking and the drinking up where we spot the sound system music because you know the man my DJ them cause a bag of bad word and stuff
Yeah,
like that.
yeah,
You see
yeah.
me? So it reached to a point now when me start thief way. And them can't find me. The only place them can't come find me. I ride the spot the sound they play. And when them come for me, just know say a beer beat me, no, bro. Like a crazy beat my mother beat me, no. Crazy beat my mother beat me when me was a thief when figure hear the sound I play. So here we go now. You reach to a point now, grow reaching the high school now. We start buying records. You saw this record shop in Linston. Yeah, I used to go to school named Charlie Mount High. That's in Linston. Same St. Catherine. So I used to leave school now. I used to like buy my record them and things like that. But me buying the record them now, me not have no to play them. We're not in
Okay.
my house. From
Okay.
before I like turntable thing where I have at the bar or stuff like that. And I me alone I hear myself I play or the man them with a gin crumb and them thing there. So one day you know me just get up my little record them and take off, go over with the sound system they play. Them time I don't know if you mix or not, I just know I put the needle on the record and
Yeah.
you see me? Draw across fader and thing like that. So remember now, me young now, so me know the little song there, I'm gonna run the place and I buy them little song there where so the man them on the sound system now, the man them start say, what? You have to come around more often, man. I say you come around more often. Every time you come around, I get beaten. No, every time you come around on this side, I mean you get beaten. You see me? So, long story short, they in high school now reach both in a grade 9, 10, or grade 9, 10, yeah. Or grade 9, 10, them time there. We got some bombs now, them time there. A CD start use now. Cut off the record now, so them start cut the song them on CD and things like that. Me now, you used to have some little pouch where I just vehicle alone is them pouch that you know. So me go buy one of them pouches, go to school one day, so one of my brethren with some CD and them I say, yo, them song you run the place, you know. I say, yo, you know, me need them song up on CD. Cause me have a party to play. Them tell me I have no party for them. I just tell him come on, get the music them, just want to get at them. So
Yeah, yeah.
anyway, me get the music them now. The same sound system. I believe somebody did dead in the community. And the sound system I play the setup. And my mother the day the setup. And me have my little pouch in my bag now. And the man must say, yo, you know no new music can't play. I say, what? This is the opportunity where me want now. You know have none of the new music them can't play. You saw when me play Super Peck, the
Yeah.
whole place start bust up. Every a be forward, brother.
You
And the
see?
man must say, yo, your mother need to stop beat you. Man say, hey, me know me I get a spanking tonight, cause me know for the upper so with Uno up in the music, me if you stand up right this part, she there.
Right.
Well, me take a start now, my mother look for me, can't find me. She gone home, left me.
Mm.
Man say, I beating that for me now, you know, cause me supposed to go home with my mother, you know, bro. Super Peck, when me go home, you know, me see my mother and father have a conversation about me. My mother tell my father, say, you know, sir, I mash up the setup last night. I mash up the setup last night. Me, I go home now, think me I'll get beaten, you know.
Yeah.
He I tell my father, say, everybody me I talk about him. So from the day the super, me
Yeah.
just say, all right.
You
We
get the
started
you,
this
you
thing
get the
now.
you got authorized.
Make it authorized. You know, when anybody dead in the community and they saw the string up super, just know say Novice, they right there so I play music.
Bob.
Me
Right.
the right so I play music. And from there so it just take off. So basically, me get bus from playing at 9 nights.
Mm. You hear that?
Anyway, the 9 night them there, Novice did their play.
All right, sir.
You see
All
me? So
right.
I whole heap, man. Whole heap, me got you, man. Whole heap. That's why right now, my parents them pass and I wish them could have see what them used to beat me for.
Condolences.
Yeah.
Condolences.
I wish them could have
Condolences.
there right now. We saw what them used to beat me for. Even the other day, I saw one of my sister text me and I said, I wish mommy did that here every year because the amount of beat for them beat you for stop going back to the sound system there. And look at you now.
Right,
I'm
right.
tell them to the journey not reach now yet. The journey just start, man. Just start.
Well, you know, you just made the big trip across the wall. It's funny. Literally, it was 2023. I brought in the New Year's in Geisel.
For real?
In a Geisel,
Cool, no,
cross
man.
into the year. So yeah, so Northern region, yeah, man. So you made the move to the ATL. What prompted that?
Here we go now. You know, from the community sound from Blackard, they used to play another sound named Liberty International. Used to be based in New York, and then it come at Ocherios, and you know them see the talent, and we support like whole heap of DJs and selectors and stuff like that. But I wasn't no MC. I was just the one behind playing the music. You see me?
Okay.
So moving forward from Liberty, me used to work at Choco Cove, and then at Choco Cove I play with tours and things like that. The boss and me support because of me and build a whole 4-column sound. I named the sound after Navis. It sounded named Navigator. You see me? Big sound me I tell you about 4-column of sound.
Okay.
You see me? Play out every weekend. Every week. So I watch on Super Peck. I'm gonna tell some selector this. If any selector tune in and I watch this. I was the type of person where used to lift a whole heap of sound box. So if anybody see me just lift up my laptop now, I've been there and done that. Crazy roadside me sleep on under chapel in.
Yeah,
When sound truck we come pick up the sound, is either the man gonna market or him gone somewhere, I'm oversleep, but we have to sit down on the roadside and sleep until the truck come to pack up the sound.
See.
You see me? So we go through all of that. Moving forward. So I moved from Navigator and I support this youth named Jablaz. Come from same place up on my side of the world, you see me? And them time there, him get the opportunity to play swash. You see me? So him knows me as a bad selector, me and him apart. I'm not a fact in a super. You see the youth what me I talk about?
Yeah.
The first time me and this youth buck up in our dance, it turned out to be physical. Because guess what now? Him leave from Kingston, come on the hill, and me at the general on the hill, you see me? And me I run my place as a bad selector, and him come from Kingston as a bad selector, so me and him buck up on a dance, and you know? You want to come prove, and you know, me I go prove, so the thing get physical, you see me?
Boy.
War. And Super Big, suppose me tell you, say, and the youth, they are my best friend until this blessed day.
Watch see how life
We
changes.
said, the night super, the thing get physical, where gunshot off a stabber, off a big stone, off a beer things, like, the thing nearly get physical, bro. And it reached to a point where I realized that him, when you come out to argument and talking, them man they will kill you. Me, you know, when you come out to playing the song and shoot the song, them, I mean that, you see me? So me and him becomes a team, bro.
Gotcha.
You see me? Me and him becomes a team, and him get the opportunity to go swash. You see me, them time me I play Navigator sound, and he reached to the point where I say, yo, you know, so you need to come in with me now. Come go swash. You see me? And me and him go Kingston one night, and you must shell the place, and I say, yo, come mix 2 songs. And I said, I can't touch the man them sound, them have to help me. I swash this in a brother down a town, and badness them, I'm gonna deal with me. Can't touch the man them sound, say, yo, man. And I say, yo, me I gotta chat to the boss. Anyways, him chat to the boss and thing, you see me? And the boss put me up on trial, them came way up in a one bush place, and one place named Guava Ridge, way up in a St. Andrew, you see me? Them time them live at Ochi. And me have left Ochi and go Kingston for guard the dance. Them time the sound don't reach, selector don't reach already. I say, I swash this. Me a risk tonight if me not get no vehicle.
Right.
Me have a charter car for reach the dance because me have to prove myself to swash tonight. And me a bad selector. And so far, me reach the dance, man. I reach the dance about 2 o'clock, man. And I say, you just come, you can't play. You're mad. You have to play them all the night. You're not a big selector. If you're from the sound string up, if you come good for the trials so the boss can hear what you have offer.
Right.
And I said, John, no star. So I left from way a country and reach up at this place and can't play. Anyways, I hold it like a G. You see me? The next day now, I believe Swash did have a dance somewhere down Trelawney. And they never have no early selector. You see me? And they must say, here what going on. Now what your time for you prove yourself. We're going to send you to dance. So for your son, me reach the dance, Super Big. I Swash and Stone Love string up in the dance. Me thinks I went Swash alone a play. Swash and Stone Love. Remember, me not have the dub plate and them thing there. Me a trial me there pan. When me the man press the sample, well Stone Love, me get nervous. Me get nervous now. And I say, I have my little country song that me can play because I early one. And I can't forget the Super Peck. The first rhythm me play upon Swash was the M16 rhythm. You know the rhythm there.
Yeah, man.
The M16 rhythm me play. So, you see the technician for the sound, the man look for me like one piece of garbage. Like the man I said, yo, you can't come on the big sound, you come play them rhythm there. So, I do so what they download back the rhythm they put in my computer and I delete the rhythm out of my computer.
Yo,
The
the
man I
man
say,
say
yo, them song
you draw the big guns too early.
no, the man them must say, yo, them rhythm they not play upon them big sound.
That's a thought.
Yeah, the man them must say, yo, them rhythm they not play upon them sound. Remember when them big sound got country, I don't play them man they use and warm up dance. You see me?
Okay, see,
Or
see.
some nice little D Brown or some nice little Alton Ellis or
Mm.
some Freddie or them thing that the man want to say them song them if you play. When me I go with M16 rhythm and them rhythm they come warm up dance. You know see a stone over here play with. The man them stress me out super. Anyway, go back in our folder. Them time you know Sirata we play them time. Go back in my folder, find some of them big songs that we can play, you see me? And you must say, yo, dog, you just need to forget some of them songs where. Anyways, the technician him call the boss and say, yeah man, we can work with the youth here, you know. Yeah man, him can early one man. You see me? And next dance now with Swash Super. It's like two of the selector them the day of foreign. And Swash have two sound. So them send my next brethren go one dance and send me go one dance. And the bad selector them will come at hours and night never come. So now me get to prove myself super.
Okay.
Me
Now
get to
at this
play the
time,
night.
Froggy is still there.
Eh?
Froggy was still there that
Yeah
time.
man, Froggy still there. So Froggy,
Okay.
I one of the man will give me the green light and say, yeah, the youth are bad. You see me? So all me deal with the dance with the selector they never turn up for. And some you know get to become one of the bad selector them will Swash. You see me? I did not early one for more than two dance. Till me reach in at the senior level and just start going dance be at 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock at night time. Me not early one Swash. Me not early one Swash for no long time. You see me?
See.
Yeah man, and from Swash bro, you just take off. From Swash, you just take off. Take off. Like I travel the world, the thing just take off, you see me?
All right. So get the your international bus, all of these things, right? And now, well known on Swash. Why the move to the ATL?
Alright, here we go on now. Me been a back and forth, you know, like me used to like when me I play Swash, you know, we come at dance a foreign like on weekends, like we come on a Friday, go back to Jamaica on a Monday because we used to have a Tuesday event named Nipples Tuesday, you see me? So every time we come on the weekend, we just go back. So I believe we've been a travel from about 2013, 2014, back and forth, America to Jamaica, you see me? On work permit. I don't know if you understand that, but
Yeah, man.
you reach to a point now where the same Nipples Tuesday where we keep, or we used to be one of the baddest events in a Jamaica on a Tuesday. You can YouTube it, Nipples Tuesday, you see me? All heap of artists with bus, all heap of strength we get artists. When they come on to young artists and new artists, that was the place for them. You see me? All of them, not for the rhythms them where you hear around the place right now from back then, Nipples Tuesday bust them, you see me?
Okay.
All of the ding dong them where you hear ding dong I sing, all of the bad song them right and Nipples Tuesday, the whole of them song the bus. Me was the mastermind behind all of them songs. The gas them, the yang them, the skip to Malu, the all of them thing there. You see me? Me and the team used to put in the work same thing, you see me?
Yeah.
So them time you know, Spice used to come at the event, you see me? So we used to give Spice crazy strength, you see me?
Okay.
That's the whole fraternity used to think say, I am signed to Spice. You know, she never signed, you see me? We just give her a bass strength because she used to say, yo, I selected them, no, play me. And I say, hey, mama, don't worry yourself, man, we got you. You see me? And so far, every turn you turn in a Nipples is a Spice in your ears. Every man. Because you know, the event used to run from like 4 in the morning till about 7 o'clock in the morning. Daylight business, no joke.
What?
You see me? Like,
Straight through
passa.
there.
Straight, you see me? And when Spice get a connection now, you see me? And then she start bring me up on shows with her. Come overseas, you see me?
Okay.
And she bring me come on a show at Atlanta. And I just saw them, I look back on a clip the first time I come here. The same people I see right now, and them same people I look back on the clip and I said, what a small world. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Go back to Jamaica, bro. So me meet my wife, you see me? So
Yeah.
wife bring me come here, me meet her, you see me? On the internet, on the gram, you see me? So me
Okay.
and her start communicate and things like that and in which them time that she did live at Baltimore, you see me?
See.
But she used to base in Atlanta, move to Baltimore. So she used to live at Baltimore. And then she tell me, say, yo, she move go back to Atlanta, you see me? I mean, I say, Atlanta, me not used to Atlanta. One time me go Atlanta, she say, you go love it there. I say, she say, all right, me go move to Atlanta. I say, all right, no problem. So now it's COVID coming now. You
Yeah.
know, Jamaica lockdown, no dance, no keep, no nothing, no go on. And
Right.
she say,
Right.
come in, man. I say, yeah, me go risk it, you know. You know, me I go to Georgia, me I go risk it, me I go to Atlanta.
Right.
So, you see the amount of stress and problem where them give me a Jamaica airport to come to Atlanta, bro.
Yeah.
The amount of sanitize, we have sanitize and mask and the whole works just to reach Atlanta, bro.
Yeah.
When me come off of the plane out of Atlanta in a super, not even a wipes, them not give me for wipe off my hand, you know, bro. When me come to Atlanta, when I see nobody wearing a mask
Yeah.
in a super.
Yeah. No,
Me
man.
see be a party I keep, you know. Remember me I come from Jamaica, where Jamaica locked down, you know, bro. They
Lockdown.
can't
Yeah,
play
man.
the community, you know. When me call back to Jamaica and tell my friend them, say, yo, I be a dancer keeper Atlanta, you know.
Yeah,
Remember them
man.
I said dance. I believe the first party me go when me reach her was Gal Farm Thursday. When me go Gal Farm back. Me I say, so how them to Corona? No, Jamaica alone have COVID, no COVID, no they do this. Me I got a mall, me up on the road, see me. Me see a whole heap of flyer them say party I keep on thing. And me I say, you know, more piece of the cake, yeah?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
need piece of the cake, yeah. So I suck me get introduced to a couple promoters and things like that, like Biggs and Juggler and the whole of them, you see me, and
Yeah.
Lavar and the whole of them, and me get the chance to play on a couple of them party there, you see me. And from there, so, it just take off, bro. Just everybody just starts a Navis Bomb. You see me? The selector you come from Jamaica and bad. I mean I say, me now I'm gonna guess me, I go put in my work and
Yeah.
make the work speak. Me now just take word and mouth when I say the selector you bad. Cause the same mouth you say yes, I say no, so they can't trick me.
Yeah, see,
You
you
see me?
see. Lady Lalabella.
Yes, I did have a question. You talked a little bit about how vinyl was how you grew into the sound system culture. How do you feel about social media and now it's more digital, the branding part of it? How do you keep up and manage to stay up to date with the times?
All right, good question. Enough of them not understand. Say you have to work with the time. You have to work with the time. Before we have Instagram and all of that, we used to have MySpace, we used to have BlackBerry and all of them thing there. Them thing they outdated. Them thing they pass and gone. So them coming with new apps and new things. And you have to work with the time. You have to come. Everything is getting digital. So you have to just work with the time and get with the time and do what the time is doing. You understand what I say? And as you can see, right around here, so I'm the logo up on the screen. Branding is very important. You have to put your work in your branding. Me as a boy, I always there on my phone. I if me there work at the time, me there on my phone, because me have to, nothing can miss me. Me no want nobody go tell me say this did go on. Me have to see it for myself. Nobody can tell me say, Navis,
Love
you
it.
missed that. No. You see, as much as me live in Atlanta, Georgia, I
Mm-hmm.
am so connected to the street of Kingston, Jamaica, when no song
DJ.
can drop at Jamaica and around the place so me no know.
Okay. Okay.
Me stay connected with everything. Anything go viral today, Navis Bomb gonna know today. Me not gonna know tomorrow. That's
Mm-hmm.
how connected me is with social media and everything that take place right now. Me no wait for people to tell me. Me know that for myself.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So nobody can
Sure.
come tell me say, you know say Jeffrey did do something today and nah. No. Last night when
Yeah.
everybody asleep, me up and
Yeah.
watch Grammy.
Right. But you know, it's like the Island Heat show. You know, we bring them the heat every week. You know, to make sure everybody's up to date with everything going on. Yeah, said way. You can't let it pass. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can't make it pass. Cause you know, you see, Jamaica is so connected with the music. Like you see, if you're not in the diaspora of Jamaica, even may I show the artists them when they in Atlanta. May I say, bro, you see, if you don't stay connected to Jamaica, bro, you're not gonna last. You see me? You know, if it sometime just sacrifice yourself if you can't fly go Jamaica, bro. fly God Jamaica because this music thing, yeah, it come with a spirit, bro. If you're not in the line where everybody there do the music, it don't make no sense. Why you think every artist each up in a Kingston? Because in a Kingston the music there,
Right.
everything there in a Kingston. If you call a Jamaica right now and ask for one of the baddest producer, them gonna tell us you're Kingston him there. One of the baddest artists, Kingston him there. I just the other day the thing to start spread now because she asked me the question a while ago about branding and the whole social media thing. The thing to start spread now, you start have some little artists that come from Mobile where a boss, but ask them which part them go forget the boss. You have to left from Kingston go Mobile. You have to left from Mobile go Kingston.
Kingston. Yeah,
Forget the boss. You see me?
Feel it.
Ask any one of the artists them from Mobile which part them go forget the boss. You see me? So you have to stay connected with the dancehall and reggae. You see me? You come like the Jesus for music is in Kingston. Yeah, I swear.
Yeah, man. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking to Novice Bom, international acclaimed DJ and selector, based here in the ATL, repping, still doing his thing. Now, Novice, we've got the record label now. You know, so we got some production going on underneath the Navis Bomb thing. So tell us about that and the movement from just playing the music to now creating the music.
All right, here we go now. Then, I have this record label here from about 2012. I have the label. I never have no artist voice for me, but I post the label like every day, hashtag it. So I know say it going on the search engine. So when the time becomes when I start record now and nobody go Google Navis Bomb or whatever, them are gonna see this pop up.
You've been there.
You see me? Them are gonna see this pop up. I do since 2022 I start voice artist.
Okay.
And I hear me say the label there, the label is out from 2012, but I post the label every day like me I do work, in which me never do no work. I just do the branding part, because branding is very important. So when anybody see the label and the song come out now, them are gonna say, oh, Navis, a long time I know Navis, man. Yeah, you know Navis Bomb long time because a long time him a post this. It's a post long time. This a post like 6-7 years. So when the song them drop now, you are gonna see the brand, yeah, I remember say, I see the brand from about 2013, yeah, Navis Bomb, man. I know Navis Bomb, man, you see me? So right now, I put in the work, man. Palm done, Ross Fraser, you see me?
Okay.
We just do a song with Deli Ranks just the other day, and the song they come mash up the place. The song they go Billboard, me now ask Christ. When the song that drops over, a Billboard like Charlie Black Party Animal, bro. You joke about it. No, I swear.
So I need the exclusive. I need as soon as it's ready for drop, I need to be able to bust
get
it on
it, man.
style.
Yeah, get it, man. Trust me. I wish me give them a sneak preview Friday at the after's party, and trust me, to the girl them a go on the song, so on the song not drop it. Me I say anytime the song you drop, Atlanta go mash up, and I know this Atlanta because of the real me I go for you. Me tell you, the song with me and Deli Ranks is a Billboard song, no joke about it.
All right. Looking forward to it, my
Big
brother.
time.
Amen. Lady Lalabella.
So from production to becoming an artist. So I'm a DJ, I'm a producer, and I'm an artist right now.
Excuse me?
In a one go.
So you talked a lot about branding. You talked about, the foundation and the importance of the sound system culture. What collaboration or artists do you aspire to work with next now that you're in the mecca of the South as for entertainment, music, and acting? Can we expect maybe a visual or a movie in the future?
Hey, right now, honestly, to me take this thing serious. I just wait my turn because trust me, I'm gonna be in a movie soon. I'm just waiting my turn, you see me?
Okay.
Collab with artists. I know I'm gonna do collab with a whole heap of artists because I have a voice that everybody like. You see me?
Okay.
The voice, my voice, I want me project it. I one of the main thing where attract a lot of people to me. You see me? I don't know if she ever stand up in a party super and hear me talk or I'm a very mischievous person when I'm working, you know.
Me.
Very mischievous when me I work. I just chat a whole heap of things. So people like when me I talk about things, you see me? And
See
so
it.
that do the gravitate people to me. And trust me, that year to next year, you're going to see me in a movie. You're going to see me in a whole heap of music video. You're going to see me with, you're going to hear me up on a whole heap of tracks with other big name artists. Because me tell them I'm going to
See
come
it.
for the voice.
All
So
right.
far, them are going to come for the voice so
All
far.
right. All
Because when them hear me on the Daily Youngster, bro,
right.
a whole heap of people are going to want me for intro music and
Okay.
intro song.
See,
You see
see,
me?
Right.
see.
So, a
Tough.
whole heap of things are going for the year, man. Trust me, a whole lot in the making. Enough.
Well, congratulations, my brother, on the success so far. And definitely, we're sending all the positive vibrations your way for continued success into 2024 and beyond.
Thank you, bro.
Yo, tell the people
Salute.
how they can contact Novice for if they want to book the DJ, if they want to get in the studio and do the audition to get on a rhythm, or if they want a producer want to reach out for the big voice. Tell them how to get in contact with the Novice Bomb.
It easy, man. Just Google Navis Bomb. Just type in NAVISBOMB on Google and everything pop up. Everything from the SoundCloud to the YouTube, from the YouTube to the Instagram, from the Instagram to the TikTok, from the TikTok to the Facebook, you name them. Just Google Navis Bomb and everything pop up. The whole of the information then pop up. Just Google. Just go up on Google. Just go in a Google search engine and Navis Bomb go pop up. You're going to see all of the information, them, every contact, everything. I go pop up. You see me? Navis Bomb is not one of
Love
them
that.
selected where you go type in on Google and you're not going to see, you're going to see still searching. I'm not that type of DJ. I'm not that type of DJ. Once you type in Navis Bomb, you're going to see everything pop up.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the award-winning Atlanta top DJ, the man himself, Novice Bom. Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much for passing through.
Respect in a super peck and respect the lady Lalabella. Big up on herself. Keep the show
Big
up
up
going and keep the
yourself.
show up
Big up
growing.
Linstead DJ. Big
You
up
see me?
St. Catherine same way. All right. Bless.
Big up the whole Atlanta, you know, you see me? I say big up the Rampers
Ah,
family,
you
Curtis
mean?
family, Fire Nation, you see me? The Lakers, the car wash, everything. Big up my wife, because she one of my biggest supporter, you see me? She am a day one cheerleader from them
Love
time,
that.
and
Heart of
to today.
love. Heart of
You see me?
love.
So, big up everybody who support Navis Bomb for the 3 years them now, when they are Atlanta, you see me? A 3 year no super.
Boy, the
Yeah,
time
man, I did
flying.
3 years since today, man, you
Short
see me?
time, short time,
Short
short
period
time.
of time, you see me?
Oh, if I
But
work
guess what
still
now?
for the, don't it?
We've been put in the work, man, so we just have to take a little time and reap, and we still at work, you see me?
There you
And we
go.
don't make the ego get the best of us, we just have to do the right thing, you see me?
Ah, see that? Yeah,
Big
man.
up
Big
all
up.
of my co-workers, them, all of my selector brother, them, you see me? Everybody big up themselves, dog.
Respect, sir. Respect.
In a DJ style. How you mean?
Ladies and gentlemen, Novice Bom, Novice Bom. You are listening to the Island Heat Show right here on APAP Radio.